And guys, oh my goodness, I didn't see the sticker before, but the sticker's sitting here on this windshield as well, and holy sh**. What's up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. Today, you know, with the new Wrangler JL coming out, some people love it, some people hate it, but with it just coming out, there's only like a few models available, you know, around here. I mean, they're coming in slowly. It's not like they're getting big waves of them. So there's only a few Wrangler JL's available for purchase now. This dealership is asking thousands of dollars over a sticker, and we're gonna go check them out and see if they're actually even worth it in the first place. You know, compare them to the JKs and whatnot. But we're gonna head out, take a look at this dealership. It's about a 30-minute drive. We're gonna go check it out, and we're gonna see if these, you know, overpriced JL's are actually worth it. Yeah, drive past first. Oh no, these are the ones that's the one we lifted. Look, I lifted this.
Oh yeah, these are all JKs. Huh? Well, that's surprising.
Oh my god, that's the one we just took back, the Oscar Mike, and that's literally all of those I lifted. I lifted that one too. Oh, here's this is a Ram. Someone's literally looking at it. I lifted that Cummins. I literally put the lift kit on that guy. Incredible.
Oh, look, there's the Midnight Express.
And the Midnight and the Little Red Express. Dude, we did all of these. Oh my god, don't park by these salespeople because we don't want to attract attention. Just start driving a lot. Wow, these got so many cars up here.
Oh, perfect. Let's just drive the lot and park right in the middle.
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
We're this guy.
I know. My question is, do people actually come to dealerships and just stroll the lot?
There you go, all the Cummins, look at that.
Oh yeah, this is my section. Cummins, ooh, Hemi, lame, Cummins, Cummins, ooh, Cummins, ooh, Longhorn, Cummins, Hemi, nope. We got a tan, we got a Ruby, Sahara, another.
Oh, did you see that? The tan,
there's another guy out here. Is that a black? That's a black Hemi.
Right, there's a red one right
Golden
here.
Eagle?
Here, there's a red JL right here.
No shit.
There's another one.
There's another JL.
Well,
there's another JL.
Parking here.
I'll park here. A bunch of JKs. Is there anything we lifted over here? You just stalled it.
Yeah, in gear, because I'm a boss.
Oh, another Oscar Mike. Another one. That's literally, oh, there's two. And what's this Golden Eagle? I never seen the Golden Eagle before. They both sports. Ooh, automatic, that's lame. Oh, of course it's locked. Dude, this one, automatic. Oh, here's the new tail lights on this guy. Oh, these are like not even the, wow, there's two different types of tail lights. Look at this tail light and look at these tail lights. They're a little bit, the tail lights are a little different on both of these. Auto start stop. This is the worst thing ever. This is the worst thing ever invented. Also automatic, how lame. Here's the new, this is a, look at this grill. There's the new Sahara bumper. Look at that. Oh, here's the new door hinges. There's no that. Notice how there's no stickers on these. There's not a single sticker on these windows. And first of all, they're parked in the snow. They're parked in the deep stuff. But look at this. There's no stickers. because they only have, like I said, there's 2 of them. Look at all the JKs over there. All of those JKs, and there's right now in vision, like in sight, 2 JLs. This Sahara does look pretty nice, not gonna lie. Although you know, although it's lame and it's an automatic, I mean, it's pretty nice. The inside, big touchscreen. Wow, gauges. Wow. I mean, it's nice, it's different. Everything's really flat. Everything's flat. I wish we could see in here. Let's see if I can. But as you can see, the Sport comes with these taillights, and the Sahara comes with those new taillights. Just here's like an old one. Here's a Golden Eagle. Man, I didn't know they did that. Tan soft top, silver Jeep. Me personally, I don't think that looks good at all. I got a little Hemi action. That's lame. Oh, here's the Cummins Mega Cab. That's what I'm talking about. What is this pack? Oh, Bighorn. Bighorn Mega Cab. Let me go look at the sticker on this guy. See what they got it for. Man, it's deep here. Sticker on this Bighorn Mega Cab is $62,000. It's a little much. I'm not looking to spend 62 right now. I'm looking for something in the $50,000 range. I don't know. $41,000. Oh, is it on the thing? I'm looking for something in more of the $50,000 range right now. I do like Wranglers, and dude, all these JKs, all of them, there's like row and row and row and row and row and row. Dude, there's hundreds, and they're 2, 3 deep. All these JKs are definitely gonna be going on sale extremely soon because these JL's coming in. Oh, I guess there is a sticker on this guy. So on this, here's the sticker. This is actually a sticker on the Sport. Look, it literally says 30,000 for this Sport. And after all this stuff they added, man, customer, like optional equipment, they added all this stuff. It came out to $40,000 for a base model Wrangler Sport. $40,000 for a base model. Let's see. Base model. Okay, don't get me wrong. Look, yeah, heated wheel, heated seats. Yeah, heated wheel, heated seats. USB, you know, power windows, everything. So I mean, it's a little souped up base model, but 40 grand for it? Come on. That's a little nuts. And look, I don't like the grill with no inserts. I don't. I literally don't. I do in fact like the new turn signals. I'm not gonna lie. I do like the turn signals, and I do like the new bumper. I'm not gonna lie. This bumper is tight. That's just like a plastic up there. I'm gonna be honest, like, you could definitely fit way bigger tires on their stock. I'm not gonna lie. Like, we're usually putting I usually put 3 or 4 inch lifts on all these JKs, and you know, they'll fit 35s, and then on 4 inch you can fit a 37. It won't rub 37/12 wide, but if you go 13 wide, you know, it doesn't always rub, but if you do 13 wides, you can usually have to go to a new bumper depending on your offset. But any lift on these new JL's, man, any lift on this, I think even a basic 2.5, 3 inch lift, Terraflex Zone, BDS, any kind of lift, you're gonna be able to stuff 37s in there no problem. And that opens up a whole new world for the whole off-road community and all these people out there who love their Wranglers, dude. That opens a whole new world. Maybe a 4 inch, you could probably fit 40s, which would be incredible. No more 6 inch long arm kits to get there. Oh, okay, the Sport has some nice wheels, even no stock. I mean, I got, obviously on the sticker, it says they did get the upgraded wheels on the Sport. But you know, they are a pretty decent wheel compared to like the stock Steelies, as you can see over here on that, like over there, those stock Steelies. So You know, it's a big difference. Look at this. So, oh, look at this. You can see in here the color matched roll bar. That's fresh. When the first came out, the design, you know, everyone was like, oh, what is this? You know, the more you hate the design first, you'll learn to fall in love with it. That's what's incredible. This Jeep is huge over here.
Oh my gosh, that Jeep logo is giant.
That's giant. That kind of overtakes the whole fender. Trail Rated's a little different logo and a little different now. I don't really like that. But yeah, the rest of the Jeep,
recessed in there as well.
The rest of the Jeep is very cool. I do like it.
Actually, it's recessed and this one's off-centered.
oh yeah, that's what a lot of people hated, is that they didn't center it up.
Well, no, I mean look at the recession press in this stamp, and look at.
Well, no, I'm talking about a lot of people hated that they didn't center this with the rest of it. Now, let's take a look at these Cummins, because that's a little more my speed. These are Hemi. Oh, see, the Sport package, me personally, I don't like the Sport packages that come in. I mean, I do like these headlights, but I hate when people, you know, they just, oh, I want the Sport package, they jack up the price and all that crap, and it doesn't do anything for me because I can do all that stuff on my own. Oh, look at this. Okay, I do like the Mega Cab. I do like the Mega Cab. This color is not bad. I think I am a white kind of guy though. Looking at this, I mean, once it's lifted and whatnot, I just feel like, you know, it'll look good. Don't trust me, it'll get. Oh, I thought that was like, I thought that was a Hellcat, and it's like a TJ with the muffler chopped. But this gray, it's like okay. I said, if you want something to look forward to on this channel, you'll be seeing this. I mean, here's your first, you know, your first hint. Your first hint is located right there. I'm just gonna find the right one, right package, whether I want to buy a brand new one, semi-used one. Gotta figure out whatever the price is right and whatnot. However, I'm not gonna lie, this burgundy maroon down here is kind of flossy. It better be a Cummins. Oh yeah, wow. Sport package, got the projector heads, color matched front and rear bumpers. Let's get back there actually. All right, here's that same color. That same color Ram, but not the color matched bumpers. I'm not gonna lie, I do like the color matched bumpers. Oh, here's a white one with the wheels and the headlights not being projectors. Looks like another Bighorn. So we'll take a look at that in a second. This 4x4 with the headlights. There it is, Laramie. Let's see if I can go look at the stickers on this bad boy. Sticker on the Bighorn, 65. That's a long bed. It's a long bed. I do like the long bed versatility, but it's just a little too long for me. Yes, that's what she said, but I can't handle all that. Here's the new, here's the color matched front bumper Sport Laramie. What is the sticker on this guy? 68. I don't know if you can see that. 68 grand. $70,000 for this pickup. Ooh, what do we got over here? I mean, these are in fact 1500s, but this color is incredible. Love lime green. There's a color for 2500. They don't have it here clearly, but it is a color called Hills Green. It is a lime green Ram 2500, and that's kind of something I always thought would be cool, but you know, they're hard to find, and the color's just a little bit out there, so that might be a stretch. Ooh, we got some Chargers here, a little Daytona. Oh, here's this new F8 green. This color's tight, not gonna lie, in person. It's crazy with the shades on, whole different color, but Destroyer Gray is probably one of my favorite colors out there. That's for sure, on you know, any platform. Destroyer Gray is that flat gray, yet still glossy. No flake, no nothing to the paint. It's just straight, you know, matte gray. Destroyer Gray is one of my favorite colors. I wish they made a Ram in destroyer grade. That'd be incredible. Oh wait,
What's a Hellcat doing out here on this lot?
there should be. I think there's Hellcats parked over there. I'm not gonna lie, because last time we were here, they had a few off the truck.
True. Yeah.
All right, here's the most useless package I've ever seen. It's a Chief. It's got a white gloss hardtop. It's got the you know, the stripe and decal package. You know, that's the weirdest package ever. I do like the creativity on that one. Give them an A for the creativity, but it's kind of like, yikes. I wish it was like a different color, not just white mixed with these other colors. Like you've seen the people online that mix their one of the old models. Would have been a Red Rock Lobster and a Gecko. They swapped doors and tops. That was cool. Oh, here's another Chief. Okay, the Chief in tan with the white's a little different. That's not bad.
I think it's just.
But still, I guess I'll give them the A for creativity, but not. I won't buy one. And guys, oh my goodness, I didn't see the sticker before, but the sticker's sitting here on this windshield as well, and holy sh**. I'm blown away. Look at this. $37 is the base price on this Sahara. With all these features and everything, dude, $47,000 for a Wrangler JL Sahara. I'm pretty sure it's not even leather. Okay, there is leather. Don't hold me to it, but there is leather in there. But still, big touchscreen, everything. But $47,000 for a Jeep Wrangler. That is insane. And you can find used GT. I found a used GTR for $55. I found used Hellcats for $55. And you're telling me a Wrangler, an off-road vehicle, it'll get you 17 to 20 miles a gallon, maybe. When you jack it up, even less. 50 grand for that? That's, I mean, don't get me wrong, I'd drive it, but like, wow. That's kind of a stretch, but not gonna lie. Not gonna lie, they are pretty cool. One day, I'll, you know, maybe a little later in the year, I might dabble a little bit, get another Wrangler. But I think I'm gonna go with the truck first, and then we'll get this. But new JLs, I don't know if it'll be a new JL. If they got the prices cut, you know, they got the prices cut by next fall. That might be what ends up happening. But right now, wow, that's a lot and a lot of money. These two Wranglers right here combined, like $100,000. Like $100K combined for these two Wranglers. If you bought them both after tax, title, licenses, all that stuff, yeah, you're looking at like $100K for two Saharas. Nonetheless, not even manual, both automatic. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate for that, but I'm a manual guy, man, especially in Wranglers. Wranglers. And just for comparison here is the 2018 Wrangler JK. This purple color is amazing. As weird as that sounds, I would drive the heck out of this thing. But here's a 2018 Wrangler JK Rubicon. Actually, correction, I would not drive the heck out of this thing. It's an automatic, so I would not drive it, but 2018 Wrangler JK Unlimited Rubicon 4x4. So the biggest package you can get, fully loaded, $44,000. So like I said, this compared to the new ones, fully loaded, I mean, you're just paying for the name much at that point for the JL, but this is 44 grand for a fully loaded Rubicon. So that's where you gotta weigh your options. But as you can see, Wrangler JK 2018. Take a look at this dope Challenger. Look at this, all Mopard out, 392. Mopar down the side. I do like that decal. I'm not one for decals, but that looks tight. Along with the one up here on the front bumper, Mopar RT. Even though it's an RT, that looks tight. Same thing down this side.